The absolute key and primary goal of the study is the CR, complete remission rate readout. Usually comes after 3 or so months after patients have gone on drug.
Hello, you're watching Proactive. I'm joined by Dr. Juho Jalkanen, the CEO of Faron Pharmaceuticals. Juho, very good to speak with you again. You're planning a 40 million euro rights offering. Why is this the right time for Faron to raise capital?
This is a pivotal stage to be raising the capital. As you may remember, we've completed our open label phase 1/2 trial in higher risk MDS with exceptional results. Now, talking with FDA, it's time to turn the cards down, do the same thing, blinded, randomized, golden standard in pharma, deliver that. It's a big value driving period for the company.
As you say, the raise will help fund that randomized phase 2 trial of Bexmarilimab in high-risk MDS. What are the key milestones the study is designed to deliver?
The absolute key and primary goal of the study is the CR, complete remission rate readout. Usually comes after 3 or so months after patients have gone on drug. Then it takes about 3 months to get that remission, and that's when the readout will come.
Juho, the release said that part of the proceeds will also support investigator-initiated trials across several cancers. How important is it that in demonstrating the broader potential of Bexmarilimab?
That is super important for us, as we always have stated that with these exceptional results in high-risk MDS, one of the most difficult cancers out there, there's a lot of enthusiasm and interest around Bex, and we believe it has a lot of potential in a number of cancers, that it is not just a drug for MDS. And now with all this excitement and good data, we have physicians that want to test out Bex in a number of different combinations, in a number of different cancers. So there'll be a lot of data generated over the upcoming near term.
Juho, with the funding expected to extend your runway to late 2027, what progress should investors expect to see from the program over the next 18 to 24 months?
Well, the most important thing is, of course, the blinded randomized phase 2b in frontline high-risk MDS. And that's going to be late 27 when it reads out. But meanwhile, we have those investigator trials. They are open label trials, open label phase 1/2s. So they'll be generating data over the course while we wait for that major readout. So again, for a company our size with this amount of proceeds, there's an exceptional amount of data and news flow we plan to produce.
Juho, I hope you keep us updated with your progress on that. Thank you very much for speaking with us today.
Thank you.
That's Dr. Juho Jalkanen, the CEO of Faron Pharmaceuticals.